it's your boy Gamertag back again to another video. And like it's been like a month and a half since I made a new cookie, like just a video in general. It's been a while, like maybe 3 to 2 months since I made a cooking video. But today is a special day. It's Valentine's Day. I got cooked for me and my brother, or you know, maybe my family. Nah, it's me and my brother. They can cook for themselves. But first, we are making some breakfast. We're making some pancakes. I am not making it homemade because I don't got time for that. I don't want to. I'm tired. We are making eggs and bacon. So let's get started. So first, what you gotta do is you gotta put the stove on 5. You know, we're gonna do the bacon first, and then you know we go on. Open this. Slide that out. Okay, and after it's open, oh man, I should just slid it across. I just freaking poked a hole in it. Whatever, I don't care. Okay, we're gonna take 6 pieces of bacon out because, you know, I'm gonna get hungry and my brother wants to eat also. And he likes bacon a lot, especially if it's pork. But I like turkey bacon, so yeah. This is my first time cooking bacon. So my mom's gonna help me through this, which is nice. Thank you. Shout out to her. Bro, it's so slippery. I never dealt with bacon before. Guys, we're back. We got the bacon. It's popping now. You know what they say. Can't take the heat. You gotta get out the kitchen. Alright. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get started on pancakes. We're gonna pour. Oh yeah, I ain't no homemade. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour out at least 1 cup of pancake mix into there, and then after that we're gonna pour some water, and then mix it around, and then pour a dash of cinnamon in there. I might put some blueberries in there with my mom. I'm not sure yet. Maybe. Oh shoot! I didn't see the hole right there. Alright guys, well we got the pancake mix in there. It's time for us, you know, to flip the bacon. You guys know that feeling? Like you could just like wake up in the morning and like you just go downstairs or something like that, and then like you just see your mom cooking bacon, or like you smell it, you like, yeah, and you know what type of bacon it is. That's how I am right now. Like I love bacon so much, but like, yeah, I enjoy bacon. Bacon's my favorite thing when it comes to breakfast. As you can see, looking all crispy and everything. So we're gonna get back to our pancakes now. What we gonna do is, you know, I can't tell you how much water we're gonna pour, but we're gonna pour it at least till it's right here. Well, I did just say, what am I talking about? Whatever. All right, we're gonna pour it in until I got at least nice consistency. So just a little bit more, and yeah. And then after that, we're gonna start mixing it, and then once it becomes smooth and everything, then we're gonna put a dash of cinnamon in. Dang, I feel like I should add more water. Alright, that should be pretty good.
You don't need more water?
Yep, I'm pretty sure I don't need no more water.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've never made a pancake before.
That's good.
Alright. See, I told you guys my mom was gonna, oh, okay. I told you guys my mom was gonna help me out with this. What's going on? What? I'm losing control. Alright. Okay, no, we'll come back to that. It's ready. We're gonna flip our bacon again, okay? Because our bacon looks like it's gonna be ready soon. Look how crispy it looks, though. Hold on. One thing I hate about bacon, though, is like the way you gotta stop.
Smoke, it's me, Carl. Chill.
You gotta freaking flip it. Oh yeah. Why are you connected? Move. I'm not sure if I can flip this one. just got done flipping the bacon, having a hard time over there, and I had to pour a little bit extra, you know, pancake mix in there because mom told me to. I'm sorry, you guys. I used to be expert. I haven't made pancakes in a week. Actually, no, I've never made this before. What am I talking about? Okay, it's mixed. It's pretty smooth. Yep, it's smooth. Now we're gonna pour a dash of cinnamon in there. Okay, that's good. Once we're gonna mix this a little bit, then our bacon looks like it's about to get ready to, you know, take it out. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, it's time for our bacon now. We gotta take it out. So, yep, they're ready. Yeah, we're gonna take a couple of them out. These ones right here already. I have to look at them closely. Let them drip because we don't want a lot of stuff on our plate. Oh, she failed me. It may look curved on the plate, but I don't care. It'll be straight once I put them on the plate and I show it to you guys once I'm all done. As you can see, I already took the bacon. I didn't want to do that on camera because I struggled a lot. I drained it out as you know, like you saw me doing. And you know, you see it looking all crispy and everything. Yeah, all that. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get started on our pancakes. We're gonna pour in, you know, we're gonna pour in the butter first. I said pour in the butter. We're gonna put in the butter. We're gonna let that melt, and then we're gonna pour in our pancake mix, and we're gonna put in blueberries. And I decided to, you know, get some of that, which is cool. So it's gonna be good. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, you know, as soon as I set the plate and everything. You guys be like, oh yeah, because I had some of my friends like tell me, yo, you better you know, make you a cooking video, bro, because like I saw them juicy, you know, thick burgers she was making one time. I was like, oh yeah, it was good though. So I said, okay, I'll make it tomorrow then. Alright, well, since the butter is pretty much melted, we're gonna be ready to pour in a little bit, not a lot, but you know, some of our things. Okay. I'm not sure if my bigger one. No, I'm making my bigger one actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Pour just a little bit. All right, that's good. That's good. Don't want to pour too much because I don't want to, you know, for it to overflow like that. Okay. How you know it's gonna be ready is when the outside of it's like kind of golden brown, and then like, you know, for beginners like me, yeah, a newbie, you're gonna see like bubbles pop up like that, and that's how you know it's gonna be ready to flip. But not yet, you know, golden brown bubbles and everything. We got what we need. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip it. And this is my brother's. This is not mine. The rest of it you see right here, that's gonna be mine. I'm gonna put the blueberries and stuff in there, but we're gonna flip it now. And you don't want it to splash on you, so, oh man, yeah. See how golden brown it looks, bro? Man, I'm so good. I can't wait to eat this, bro. This is my first time too. I'm so happy that this is gonna turn out well, cause my bacon went out well, and you know when your bacon turns out well, then you know everything else is gonna turn out well. So. Now I'll come back with you guys once this one's done and I get started. Guys, the freaking pancake is ready. I just, you know, flip it on the bottom and all that. So we're gonna put that pancake right there, and that is my brother's. And then we're gonna get started on my pancake now. I was about to say eggs, but no, because we want all our stuff done. Oh wait, no. Yeah, takes a while. I forgot I was just about to pour it in there. We gotta put the butter on. Okay. Alright, it's time for us to pour our pancake mix in. Okay. And that is my pancake. Oh yeah, these are frozen blueberries. Just for your guys' information. Put them everywhere, so like as soon as I cut into the freaking pancake, you know, get a little blueberry. So you already know what I said last time I was cooking a pancake. Bubbles, golden brown, blueberries in, flip. Oh yeah, remember, flip it away from you, so you don't like get a splash. So yeah, boy. Golden brown, boy. Oh yeah, you know, like you see like a burning thing. That's just butter. It ain't gonna do nothing to your pancake. But yeah, and I'll come back once my pancake's finished and I'm gonna get started on the eggs. So our pancake is ready. I already did the thing, so I know it's ready. So yeah, 2 golden brown pancakes, and you know it's a good pancake because it got that brown. I said brown, golden brown, and like you know how you bite into it with a fork and then like you know put it in your mouth and it's like a crunch, like yeah, it's so good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get started in our eggs. So we don't need you no more. We're gonna put this over here. Alright, we're just gonna let that sit there for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put still right there. We're gonna let got that warming up, and while we're you know, doing all whatever it does, we're gonna be cracking our eggs and put them in the bowl. Oh yeah, make sure you guys don't get no shells in your your bowl, or you're gonna be eating shells and eggs at the same time. So look at that, clean, nice. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't want to make a giant mess with eggs. And then once I crack them, I'm just gonna bring the camera over, and she will show you that there is no cracked shell in here. Nice. All right, see, no shells on it. If you do get a shell on it, just take it out, and yeah. And this looks like it's ready to put it in. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the eggs. We're gonna put the eggs in. Oh wait, no. First we gotta mix it. Where's our thing? Yeah, I was tripping. I was using the whisk for the pancakes. I thought I was using that again. But we're gonna use the thing that we use for bacon. I'm tripping. We're gonna mix that around. Bro, I was hard tripping. Okay, and this is mixed up, so that means we're about to pour this in. Look at that. Nice. Now we're gonna pour it in. I'm gonna let it set for a couple of seconds, and then we're gonna start mixing around and stabbing it and all that. Don't let it stick to the pan. I think this is a non-stick pan, right? Yeah, this is a non-stick pan, and this is good. And when you have eggs, make sure you put butter on this so like your egg doesn't stick to the pan, because if so, you're not gonna get a lot of eggs. So right here, as you can see, the eggs are coming together. We're just scraping off some of the egg that are on the pan so we can get much more. We're gonna start stabbing it and everything. And now since we got this, we're gonna pour the cheese in. Pour the cheese in, yeah, fellas, we're gonna pour the cheese in. Now the eggs are cooling up, we're gonna, oh yeah. Then we're gonna just fold it up and everything. Trust me, it looks bad now, but when it comes together, it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have it all, mixed up. Alright guys, our eggs and stuff, everything is finished. I told you guys it was gonna look better in the end. Alright, the reason I put, cheese in this, because my brother likes cheese and he doesn't like regular eggs. Alright, anyways. But now, for the final step, we're gonna assemble our plates. So we're gonna put, yeah, that was my brother and that was mine. I have to remember because I don't want to put the one on my, we're gonna pour a little bit on my brother's because he's a picky eater. Okay. Just a little bit of eggs right there. Then we're gonna pour most of the eggs on here. Probably have some eggs left over for later if I'm, yeah. Okay, nice. Might as well just get all the eggs. And then we're gonna take our precious crispy bacon that we have created with the help of my mom. Whatever, I don't care. 2 pieces of bacon for him. And the person that made the bacon gets maybe 3. Yeah, 3. You can get 6, whatever. I mean 3. Alright, and this is what it looks like, you guys. This is the after effect of, making eggs and bacon and pancakes. Yeah, it looks crispy. I'm gonna take a little bite and see how it goes. This is exactly how I imagine it to come out as soon as I freaking make that bacon. Now you know how it's supposed to look, okay? I gave you the instructions, I gave you everything to do, so I hope you guys can try it out for yourself and come out how you expect it to. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get first bite, ASMR here a little bit, not like a little bit, that was disgusting, but we got ate your mama, yeah, cause she ate your mama, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna pour the syrup, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit extra actually. Nice. And then what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take one bite of everything, and yeah. So, here, bring the camera closer. You guys hear that crunch? Look. Just like how my mom makes it. Just turns out how I planned it too. This is good. Hope you guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna enjoy that. If you have any questions about or any recommendations for what you next, let me know. And I'll see you guys later. I'll probably be making a game video. I got me a new Xbox too, so my new username is Hamm313. Put that down in the description. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.